twist joystick. So we've adjusted for your proportional throttle to for your outboards to give you the right amount for forward, back, 45 left, 45 right, reverse, all these things, moving sideways. So you're going to move it into gear. You're just going to bump it into gear. The more you move it, the more throttle you're going to get. Okay, you can do a 45 this way, 45 this way, backwards is both engines, 45, 45. And then when you twist, we're going to twist on our axis. We've adjusted the engine so that the reverse engine has more throttle than the forward engine, so the boat spins on its axis. So I want you to try it, play with it, and let's see if we need to make any more adjustments. So if you just twist it and let it go, we have it set to go at like, at its 10%.
Right.
If you hold it for 2 seconds, the engine RPM is going to ramp up.
Okay, let's hold.
1, 2, boom. Now that engine RPM ramps up.
Now we're really twisting.
Now we're really twisting, just like the joystick.
Just like the joystick. I can let go.
Let go. And start over again.
And I can twist the other way.
Yep.
To reverse to stop it.
Yep. And if you needed more, you can twist and hit the thruster if you want to. Okay?
So this is right. We don't have a.
You don't have a stern thruster, so it's just the valve thruster. So if you need a twist, you're twisting a port, and you want to hit the port valve thruster as well. Hold it. You'll see how fast you twist. Look at how fast you twist. Okay?
Unbelievable. Stop it. Just to bump it.
Yep.
See, this is great because now we can stand. I can see everything. It's unbelievable. Now I know which way I'm going. Oh, you can't. You just made my docking experience unbelievable.
There we
We're not
go.
there yet, but unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Okay, so if you're on your joystick here, okay, if you were to go sideways or even twist, what's happening is that the actual outboards are starting to turn on. Okay, so simply by taking control here, the outboards still stay right where they're at. Okay, so now if you were to take command here, the outboards still haven't realized you haven't turned yet. As soon as you go ahead and move the steering, they're going to straighten themselves out, and that's it. You should now be. They should all be together now. So it just needs to see that sensor from the actual steering that you're gonna drive, and then they'll just straighten themselves out. So just remember, if you go from here to here, just
Give it a bump.
give it a bump so you straighten them out.
Then make sure that the steering is straight. The helm is centered.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're driving from the actual joystick.
Right.
All right.
Engines are messed up.
We'll go to the side. As you can see, you have them spread out.
Right.
Okay, now as soon as you go ahead and take command and you touch the actual steering, they go ahead and go right back straight. You want to make sure you're right at 0, and now you're ready for docking with the remote control.
Look at that. There you go. Perfect. That's it. On.
Unbelievable.
Took the mask off for that one.
Yeah, right? Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
That's it. See that?
Unbelievable.